Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest Thermostat 3rd Gen, and I will be covering why the device does not work or have a black screen or doesn't seem to turn on. So it's a very simple fix. It's a common issue that people have with the Google Nest 3rd Gen, and I'm going to talk about exactly how to fix that. But I do have other videos if you're interested and want to know more about this thermostat and need help with it. I cover the menu settings, factory reset, scheduling and programming of the learning aspect of it, as well as manual override, using the Google Nest app, lock and unlock of the device, and also how to use eco mode properly. But let's get into what happens when this thing is dark or black, the screen doesn't work, it's not functioning. It's a common issue, and it's because there's an internal battery, rechargeable battery in here that needs to be recharged. If you don't have it plugged in like I have it here, I have it tricked to think that it's plugged into all sorts of different equipment and powered up with a C-wire. If you don't have a C-wire, you may run the battery low and dead. So when that happens, you're going to have problems like keeping this thing on and actually using it. So what you want to do is first find yourself a charger. So you're going to need a charger like this. You're going to want to plug it into the wall. Okay, this is a USB charger, micro USB, and I'll show you in just a second how it works. However, you don't want to use a battery pack like this. Okay, do not use this because this does not have enough juice to recharge the internal battery. Ask me how I know. You want to plug it in directly into the wall and charge it up with full juice, full power from the wall outlet. Now, accessing the port for the USB to fit into is very easily. You just take it off the back panel. Okay, I'm going to simulate this right here. Okay, it's not plugged into the wall or on the wall. As you can see, I have this thing simulated to work on a bench top. But essentially, you would go ahead and disconnect it from the wall. And up here is going to be the port you want to plug into. And I'm going to do that right now. Give me a second. And once you plug that in, you're going to see the light start to flash green. Okay, that means it's charging. You're going to have to do this periodically in order to charge the internal battery in this device. Now, it can operate without the C-wire. I think this is the only one that can, the 3rd Gen. But the other Google Nests have to be plugged in to the C-wire, the common wire here, which supplies 24 volts to the unit, okay? This one, I think, actually is the only one that can operate without it, but it will... I'm not sure. I've never tried to operate it only with a battery, but I think you can. But this is going over how to charge the thing up. You know, this is essential for the proper operation of it. You want to charge this thing for a full day or something and make sure it's fully charged. But that's how you charge it up. And once it's fully charged, you can go ahead, plug it back into the base plate, the wall plate, and it's going to reset, and it's going to be all set to go. Okay? And now you can function and use your thermostat as needed. But that there, guys, is the simple way of, making your thermostat work again. Is just a matter of recharging the internal battery and get it up and running once again. But like I said, check out my other videos on other interesting topics on this thermostat if you have trouble with common issues such as manual override or factory reset, or any of those settings and menu options here in the menu. Eco mode is also another one that's very useful, so maybe check out that video. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.